my name is Veronica Sanchez. I have mainly worked in retail, and within several of my positions, I've had the opportunity of developing my management, communication, and customer service skills. From my past experience, I have definitely learned what management styles work in certain situations or environments and which will come hard in the future. For goals for this course, my goal for this course is to help me get a deeper understanding of the different business strategies to where I feel comfortable taking them and implicating them within my future coworkers and peers. And then after graduation, I do plan on returning home to the DFW area where I hope to have secured an entry-level marketing position with one of my top picks, either DR Horton or BNSF Railway. But I do plan on applying with other companies to get more of an opportunity and then hopefully being able to move up with whatever company I choose to an executive position in a couple of years.